Alright, so today let's try and build 100 amps battery capacity. So I'll be showing you behind the scene what it really looks like. So let's start without wasting time. So these are my batteries. So each of the battery is 2.5 amps, so I'll be connecting 10 in parallel together. So this is 6 with this, making 9. Let me add one more piece. This will give me 10. Yep, I believe you can see it clearly. So this is my nickel strip. As you can see, it's a big size. So let me peel it. Nice unwrap. So we'll be needing a lot of this. So because of that, let's peel it once and for all. So let's measure. So go from here to here now. Let's go. I'm trying to cut it, so I just wrap some pieces. So this is the first one, second, third, fourth. Okay, so we have some pieces on ground. We'll still cut more as time goes on. And let's first do for the first set we have here. So these are all the positive side together. So let's put it up. You must have checked your battery that they are in perfect condition. So let me on my spot weld. So the baby is on. Let's go. So let's attach this. You can see that. Next set. So today I'll be showing you the process. We'll be doing everything together. So you even know when spot weld get hot and regulate and the rest. So you'll be seeing everything. So you have the real experience too back. You don't need to force the spot weld, just hold it, just touch it will do its work. This spot weld has the capacity to, I can use foot switch, but I don't need that because I've set it to automatic mode. So immediately I touch it to spot weld. So I have the switch here also. Where's it? I'm coming. Let me show you what the switch looks like. Okay. The switch is here. This is what the switch looks like here. I've not even used it since the day I bought it. You can see it's still looking very touch. This is what it looks like. So if you decide to use it, you just have to plug it here. Maybe you can see that I just plug it here. And you change the mode from automatic to manual, but I don't need to be doing that stress of using my hand and still using my leg to press at the same time too. When the machine can easily do all that, so there's no need for that. But if you prefer that, if you're using an advanced one like this, it will do the work, but no point passing through that stress. It's not really stress anyway, it's just all about preference. So if you spot weld empty space, it will spark that way. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 pieces. Indirectly, this is 25 amps. So since I'm going to 100, I need 4 of these in parallel together. So this is the first tip. Let's check it. There's a multimeter here. So just be patient, follow me, you grab everything also. So this is my positive side here. So let's put the baby here, the other side here. As you can see, the reading 3.6. Currently the battery needs charging. Okay, 3.6. So that's good to go. So that shows our work is good. So let's drop this. Let's go with more. So you can see the way. Very simple. 3 pieces. Beware of your orientation, ensure it is correct. Don't go and mix negative and positive together. It will spark and shock you and surprise you anyway, not shock like that. Okay, so you must have verified the status of all the batteries you are using. So all this battery I'm using are good grade battery, high grade Bejo. So let's go. Just touch. It's just very simple to do. What matter is the grade of the sport wet you are using. I have another type, a small one here. This is another one for those of you that may not be able to afford this for a start. This can do the job too. If I put it on now to come up, you can see it's working. If I touch it, I'll set it to automatic. You can see it's doing the spot welding also. So it can do the work, but this one regulates a lot, so that's why I don't have that patience. But not a bad way to start. That's my first spot weld I started with this, yes. Still have carton and everything intact. Please always check the orientation of your work. If you do wrong connection, lithium battery will teach you lesson. Please be careful. Ensure it's the negative you are connecting together. If not, if you do wrong connection, the spark that will come out, you will be shocked. Okay, second baby is done. You see it. So let's go with the next one, which is this. Yep. Okay. So same way. So we have to cut more nickel strip with exhaust. Is it 6 or 8 pieces we cut now? So we can see that we use a lot. So that's why you see I have the big size here. For you that you're starting, you don't need this big size. This big size, I bought it around, is it 35 or 40k? So you can start with those 5k on, 3k on, and the rest. Okay. So put this here, measure it here to here. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe if this is your first time on this channel. And for those of you that want to learn solar generator building, check the description of this video. You'll see the link to that. It's just at a very affordable rate. So I'm cutting it down so we'll have many of it to work with. I could have cut all this down, but it's because I want you to know what the entire process looks like. Alright. So touch it, you see, it is accurate. So that's why you must measure it well and be sure. Whenever you hear that sparking, that is empty space. Okay. You don't need force, just touch to the spot where it will do his work. Alright. You can see it, very perfect. Good to go also. So we've done 3, we need how many like that? We need 12 of it. 12, we can see that is a lot. So that's the opportunity for you to see the behind the scene in full detail. Alright. Please always check the orientation. Very, very important. So making 10 now. Let's put 1. Okay. Ensure it is straight, and at some point your spot weld may regulate, which when the temperature is very, very hot, it will shut down. So at that point, let it rest for some few minutes, then it will come up again. If it is that small one, before you do like 10 to 20 battery, it will regulate. Once the battery and the temperature hits 60 degrees, well, I can feel the hotness of this on the wire already, okay? But once it's too hot by itself, it will stop working, so I will have to wait some minutes. But this can still go more before it shut down, so let's still enjoy it more. And for those of you asking whether this is rechargeable or not, you can see it clearly. I'm not connecting it to any device. The battery is there, you can charge it. Currently, out of my 4 bar, I'm having 3 bar left, so very soon I'll plug it now. Okay. So come in. I'm coming. I'm trying to scrap up the paper because whenever we buy it first, it always comes with all this thick factory paper, so so that your spot thread will get in contact. You have to peel it off. You understand? So that's why. Okay, the back side. The terminal, my hand mistakenly touched it, so it's very hot. So this is done. So we've done 4 now. So we have how many more to go? 4 minus 12, we have 8 more. So if you are in haste, you can forward this video. Or if you want to see the practical process step by step, so that when you are building your own, you know the minimum amount of minutes to expect. Not that you'll be thinking in 10 minutes or 5 minutes you'll be through. It's not possible that way. This is because I'm even using good spot thread. Because all those cheap ones, those ones would have regulated by now. So this is more or less Sylvia with me in my workshop here. Okay. Okay. So the back side. So this will make it the 5th one, which will make it, you know, each of them is 10/10. So that means I'm touching it without holding it down. That's why. That makes it 50 battery sold, and for the 100 amps we need 120 pieces of this 2.5 amps. Assuming I'm using 5 amps, I would have just bought 60 pieces. You understand? So that will be 2020 per parallel. If you don't understand what I'm saying, check the description, sign up for my course so you understand that. So you can see it. I'm coming down. So do it, tell they what. You can see that the spot weld is still working. We have 2 bar left, so at this point let me charge it. I don't want it to stop while working. I believe you can see that there's nothing hard there at all. That's the last 2 strip. So assuming it's 600 watt, we want to build the 6 piece parallel we've done is should be enough by now, but oh God save me, this is negative. Yeah. Please always check. If I have spot weld it and at the end I connect it to have spark, understand? Not that it will kill you, it will not, it will just spark, but if your hand is on it that moment it can burn you and injure you. So that's just the dangerous part about lithium, so you must have the right knowledge about it. Don't just say because you watch this one video, just jump in. Please watch as many times as possible so you don't enjoy yourself and blame your village people. So check, everything is still negative, yeah. Another good thing, that splash does not injure someone. So just bring out that fire. Assuming it's burning, it will happen dangerous. But it's not that serious. The only dangerous part is this terminal. It can be very hot. Okay, so we've done. Let me show you what we spot weld now. These are how the battery will spot weld. As you can see them, there is 1, there is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So indirectly we spot weld 70 batteries together. You can see that's really beautiful. 70. That's 70 pieces. So we need 50 more. Assuming we are dealing with 50, what is this so called? 50 amps now, which is 600 watt. It would have been enough, but we are dealing with 100 amps, so definitely we have to spot weld more. We need at least 50 more pieces of that. Hopefully my spot weld don't regulate before that time, because the temperature is hot now. Anyway, if it regulates, we'll use the small one. And to me, it's the small one. Before you spot rate like 20 or 30, that one will regulate back. Okay, so we are currently out of nickel strip again. We have to cut more. So you can see that we are using a lot of them. Yep. So let's measure like we've been doing. Believe you are getting that now. If you've not subscribed, ensure you subscribe so that when I drop next video you will not miss it. And if you miss it, that's not a problem. Oh, we need 5 more. It must not be too much. It must not be too much. So we need 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is number 8. Okay, as I need like 8 pieces more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say 9. Okay, there's the scissors. So this is what the behind the scene look like. So you will not think it's magic. It's not magic. We'll work hard. How many minutes have we spent? We spent 27 minutes. Once you've spot read everything, just joining it together is very, very easy. That's a list of the problem. That one is the smallest. Yep. So let's pack this, guys. You see the moment we are using to cut nickel strip and the rest to also give the spot to an opportunity to cool down. You understand? So if not, it will have regulated at least once. And also the number of empty space. There's a void space there. So this is the last set. Oh, we're done with this also. You can see it very fresh. So let's go. We're almost done. We're almost done. We're gradually running out of battery. Gradually. Let's. You know what? It seems we should build. I just remember now. Someone paid for 600 watts. You understand? Which is 50 amps. So we are done with the parallel, so that should cut the video short a bit. So let's view that. So this is 25 pieces here. I'm sorry, 10 pieces, and each one is 2.5 amps. So 2.5 times 10, that's 25, plus this, making 50. So this is 50 amps, but 3.7 volts. So to achieve the full charge, you have to connect these two together in parallel. So I will connect these two together in parallel. If you are confused of what I'm doing, check the description, sign up for the course so you don't give yourself unnecessary headache. Okay, I have a detailed course that shows and break down everything, all the theoretical part, everything. I have it, so check the description. So there's a positive, there's positive, there's negative, there's negative. Please follow the orientation properly so you don't cause problem. Follow it well. And if you are not sure, when you touch the first one, touch this like this. If you ever see a spark, that means your connection is wrong. So this is positive, this is positive, this is negative, this is negative. So I'm sending the voltage to each other. My students already understand what I'm doing. This entire building right now, everywhere is powered. Both the fan you're hearing, the TV, the laptop, everything is powered by a lithium battery like this. So watch me spot where this side too. I cannot remember the last time I used grid, because even when the grid is there, it's not reliable. So let's create our own grid system. Okay, nice, very simple. Okay, man, very hot. Remember, this area can be very, look at the way it's burned me. That's really crazy, right? I don't want that small one to waste, that's why I just want to use it here. I always stack my work around 3 points, just here to here. Okay. Empty space. I see. Good. Good. Serve it. Good. Yep. So now, if I take my meter and cross check now. Okay, we have to still join this area together, but before we join it, let's finish everything together before we start doing test. So you can see this is the negative side. This area, it has come here, it's sent to this, so this is positive now. So the next area that will be coming to you to now be positive also. Will be positive. So this is positive, this is negative, positive, positive. So this area now will be sending to this side. As you can see, very, very simple, like A, B, C. So I can take my, you can see from here to here. If your connection is wrong, immediately you do that, you see a serious spark. So that's to tell you, okay, what you are doing is wrong. So please know what you are connecting. This is lithium battery. It has no mercy. You connect rubbish to tissue rubbish instantly. So it's connected now. So let's now loop all this together. So I want to return this back. Okay, good. So let's add one more here. You can see what happened here now. You can see there's a wrong connection. You can see the way it come. So that is how dangerous it can be. Okay, please be careful. Lithium battery. Very crazy battery. Okay, so we're almost done. Let's come to the next stage, which is this. Let's join this baby also. You know, if you do not do it, that means each of these parallel are not working together. So these two are working together. So we must connect it. If you want to know the full detail about it, check the description. Access my course. And I keep saying it so you don't do things wrong. This training is for those that already have the basic knowledge, not for you that you are watching this video for fun. Please be careful. So if at all you want to kickstart, ensure you watch this video as many times as possible to be sure of what you are doing. Okay, the other side. You can see it's very simple. Why the last one is here. Let's put the baby here. So that's it. Our 50. So indirectly now this is 50 amps. I wanted to build 100 amps before, but I just remember someone paid for 50 amps, which is 600 watts. So I have to just do it out of this battery. So later I will continue the rest. Since I have enough battery, I can easily fabricate for other people. So I believe you learned a lot. So now let's test it. Let's test it. Let's have it. Okay. So remember, our battery is not fully charged. If it is fully charged, we can attain 12.6 when fully charged, but right now we cannot, because this is the basic mode. So now this is my first lap. This is the second series. This is the third series. You can see the connection. This one sent to this and the connect, then the other side of this sent to this, as you can see there. So you should be able to understand. So now this is my positive side. Let's check. Can you see the voltage? Oh, let me put it here so you can see. I believe you can see that 3.7. That parallel is 3.7. The second one 7.5. Why the last one 11.4? So the three series are working together now. So by the time I charge everything up, the entire system will function 100% perfect. So if this video has really helped you, what are you waiting for? Like this video, share for more helpful tips like this. Peace.